This explainer video will cover the Wallet drop-down menu as well as the Contacts tab. The first selection is Information. Clicking it will show the wallet's name, wallet, and script type, and the master public key. If you are using a wallet with an imported private key, there will be no master public key. The Password button allows you to change your password or create a new one if you don't already have one. The seed and private key options are explained in a separate video. You can export your transaction labels using the Labels tab. This is useful if you want to transfer your wallet to a new private key, but you don't want to lose the organization provided by labels. You can create a new contact by clicking Contacts, New. In this way, you are able to save addresses that you use often, such as an exchange deposit address. Right-clicking on the contact in the list gives you the option to copy or edit their name, as well as quickly putting their address into the send box by choosing Pay To. You can also easily view their address activity on your chosen block explorer. You can import an invoice to pay from the Invoices button. You would do this when someone sends you a request from the Receive tab. The History button allows you to export your entire transaction history into a .csv or a .json file for record keeping. And finally, the Find tab, where you can search through a history's dates, labels, and amounts.